told we were closed when the tornado hit Saturday, April 16th. No employees or customers were injured, but Cross Hose and Fittings took a direct hit. With tremendous efforts from many cross-company associates, we are now open for business at our temporary new location at 2201 Brentwood Road, Suite 105, just down the road from our damaged Yonkers Road location.
Cross Hose and Fittings, how can I help you?
We have all of our equipment in inventory, plenty of standard and metric adapters, quick disconnects, industrial hose couplings, and of course, hose and fittings. Our trained staff is here to help you. We still make factory quality hose assemblies in minutes. The store looks different, but our same associates are still here and hoping to hear from you soon. So call or visit, and remember, we appreciate your business. From the outer belt of 440, take the Brentwood Road exit. Turn left into Lincoln Park Central onto Westinghouse Boulevard, then take an immediate right, go past City Electric and look for Suite 105. From the inner belt of 440, take the Yonkers Road exit. Turn right and go 4/10 of a mile. Then at the light, turn right onto Raleigh Boulevard. Go 3/10 of a mile, and you will see Lincoln Park Central on your right-hand side. Turn right onto Westinghouse Boulevard. Go 3/10 of a mile to building 2201 on your left. Then turn left just before the Brentwood Road. You'll go past City Electric on your left-hand side. We are in Suite 105, just next door to Richelieu Hardware.